Hello guys, this is Raj and you are watching G Search. Guys, who are interested for cruise line job? So basically, I already informing you all the process, how to apply for the visa, how to apply for your CDC, how to apply your SID, everything. I already explained everything. But today, I will explain one important, very important things. That means what can I say, that called safety, what is called emergency safety duties. So what is that? What is the emergency safety duty? Each and every crew member have emergency safety duty. Sometime crews have some threats, sometimes crews have some climate effect, sometimes another crews have some problems. So how you handle that situation as a crew member? So you need to know everything. When you sign on any cruise, any kind of company, any kind of cruise line, so you have to go through a process like that is called safety duty. Every crew have safety duty. Okay, so when you start your career in cruise line, you have to complete your HTCW. So when you go through HTCW, so you get the basic knowledge, but that HTCW you have comply when you come on board. That is the challenging things for everyone. Everyone have another job role. Maybe some of the guys, it can be safe, some of the guy from housekeeping, some of the guy from room attendant, some of the guy from bar manager, some of the guy from public health officer. So it can be different job role. You get the salary from this job role, particular job role, but they have another safety emergency duty. The cruise captain and safety officers, they will decide which crew have which position or which kind of emergency duty we can fixed. So they are fixed everything about your eligibility. They know your eligibility, and after that they give you one duty. If they think you are eligible for master, so they give you like this cap. When any emergency situation, you have to wear that caps and you have to stand there, and you have also there your particular, that job roles for master. Some of the guy, they eligible for checker, so that guy, they wearing checker cap. And some of the guy, if captain think that guy can be do like this job, so they give you like this guide job. So guide job basically normal job. It's not a hard or not very difficult, very complicated, not like that. But this job, it's okay for entry level or mid entry level. It's okay for guide job. Some of the guy, they have no emergency duty. So what they do in emergency duty? No need to do anything. Just follow your these things. Just follow your safety card. Some of the guys, they have duty, some of the guys, they have no duty. Okay, so if they have duty, you have to follow. If you don't have duty, no need to follow. But now I explain the things. What should happen when you start your career in cruise line? When you sign on in cruise line, in that day, the security officer, safety officer, not security officer, safety officer, they give you like this paper. They give you like this paper, and this paper, they have mentioned everything. What they mention, I will explaining you. The cruise area is very big, very big area. If you go inside, you cannot come outside. If your cabin number is 900, as example, and you go laundry for your washing your cloth. When you come from laundry, you cannot find out your cabin because it's very difficult. There are too many cabins, there are too many floors, there are too many ways. You cannot searching, you cannot find out your right way in a single scope. You know the crew mess, when you go and take your food, take your dinner, take your lunch. After take your lunch, you cannot come back in your cabin because you don't know about the route escape. So when you come in cruise, you have to learn all these things within 7 days. And when you learn everything, your manager will sign here, and this paper will be deposited in safety officer office. Okay, and they will take your exam. They ask you the room number. This is the room number. How you identify this room number and which floor, whatever they can ask you. They can ask you about the ship details. Ship details, that means they can ask you the restaurant name, and they can ask you which floor it's located at. So you cannot say, if you don't complete these things, you cannot say anything, because this ship is very big, and especially is my ship. My ship is XL class ship. You know, XL class ship near about 10,000 guest and passenger and crew member is there. 10,000. So can you imagine this, how much big that one? 10,000. This is the things. So there are very difficult things. If you come and join as a crew member in cruise line, this is very difficult for you. If you don't comply these things, this is called PSC test. You have to know everything about your cruise, what happening inside. That means how you go one place to another place. This is the very important things you have to learn within 7 days. After that, if something happen inside in emergency, maybe somewhere some side there have fire, so how you understand that? There have code, there everywhere there have mic. So safety officer, they give only code language like alpha, beta, gamma, like this. I don't say the particular things, but I just give an example. So you need to know the code, what code is going on here, so you can understand what's happening and which position something happened. As a crew member, you can understand everything. For guest, no need to say anything to guest, just relax. If you say to guest, he faced the problem first time, and for crew member, he faced the problem many times. So this is not a big issue for the crew member. But if you said something inside or to your guest, there are problem. So they will puzzle, they will thinking how to, what will happen now, how I escape this process. This is the things. So they have certain things for crowd management. So everything you have to know about this cruise line job. And what I say about the PSC system, you have to know about man overboard. Maybe someone man overboard in the outside of your ship. So what will do? How you call someone? How you follow this person? Because ship, it's moving like this, and this water, it's moving like this. If someone fall down there, you cannot control, or you cannot go with them. You cannot go like this. So they have certain process. So when you come here, you just to follow PSC system, and you just complete these things. If you complete, so everything is good for you. For your contact will be very smooth. If you not complete, its contact not not so easy to you. So when you join cruise line, within 7 days, you have to know each corner of this cruise, each corner of this cruise, each staircase number. There have two types of escape route. Escape route, you know, this on the one primary, one secondary. If something happen this side, there are primary and secondary both is there. If they have some fire issue, you cannot access this place, but you have another access place is there, another access point, so you can access this point. So you have to know everything, this site and that site. There are primary or there are secondary. What is the primary signal, what is the secondary signal, you have to know that one. So when you face the PSC test, you have to pass, you have to take 80 marks. So if you get 80 marks, you have passed. If there have no 80 marks, you have to face another times, and you have to learn more about this ship, because if you know the very big, if I say very big, you cannot imagine how much it is. It's very, that means very big, 10,000 capacity, you understand that. It's very difficult. And medical emergency, sometime guest have some medical emergency, you don't know what happening with the guest. Maybe some food poison, maybe for the ship rolling, maybe some climate effect, anything can be do. But you have to know that situation, how you handle. So this situation, when you face, how you handle this situation, safety officer asking you, you have to learn these things. And another one, what I said, I check here. First thing, today morning also I asked someone who watching my video. I tell that guy, when you join the cruise line, you just first day find out your muster station. What is the muster station? You know muster station, if something happening in the ship, you have to know your muster station properly, because your muster station you can get here, written here, so you can get here your muster station. So you know muster station, it's a safe zone. If something happen there, you can go your muster station and follow the muster instruction. If master say do like this, you just follow that instruction. So first things is you have to know about your muster station, about your life raft number, about your life craft number, whatever your lifeboat number, you have to know. Okay, and these things and other things, what about your life saving what is called appliances. What kind of lifeboat have you in your ship, what kind of life raft is there, what kind of MES is there. So there are many kinds of life appliances inside the ship. So you have to know about the all these things, about mention the number also, which number is there, which number is that side. Maybe someone ask you where is the life raft number 12, you cannot say, because you don't know. That's why you thinking what I will say, what is the 12, you can say. But if you know system of shipping, you know that one, starboard side or port side, you can say up or forward, like this. So you have to know all these small things, and you have to memorize everything. Within 7 days you have to face this PSC test, and you have to complete these things. If you complete, you are the luckiest one, and you can finish your contract easily. If you don't understand what I say, you know these things are very important things for the all crew member for the cruise. So everyone should be prepared for this PSC test, about your safety, about your ship safety, about your guest safety, about your passenger safety. So you have to know about your safety, how to handle this situation, how to handle emergency crisis, how to handle crowd. All these things comes together, and that a test taken by your safety officer, who is designated safety officer, who will operate this ship safety process, and who will maintain everything about this ship for safety purpose. So when you join as a crew member, when you join as a cruise liner crew, you have to go through by PSC system. If you don't understand what I said, please comment and ask me again. So when I post this video, I can explain you better, maybe in my Insta ID. So you can contact also there if you don't understand this video. And what I say, nothing to leave now. It's okay, everything is done almost, so no need to worry about it. This is the very, the simple things. Just go through someone when they work in landline, that means in hotel or any other industry, they don't face this PSC system. PSC system for only emergency system for ship how to handle this emergency situation and how to escape the smoothly operation. This is the things. So you have to know about small things, so you don't get problem in your contact. So when you come cruise line, just within 7 days, ask anyone to help you. What is the laundry, where is the mess, where is the staircase number, what is your elevator number, everything. Just note down. Life raft number, master station number, everything. You have to know about you and your passenger also. If maybe some passenger, they will ask you, brother, I have to go this master station, maybe B7, and you don't know where is the B7. This is problem for you and problem for this passenger also. So when someone asks you, you have to tell everything about your ship. That's why they take the test, and cruise company, they give better security for their passengers. That's why every time they try to give all the crew proper training. All crew will be say same things, not like this. This is the things. This is the PSC system. And if you want to know about more these things, about this PSC system or any kinds of shipping industry information, you can ping my what is called Instagram ID. My Insta ID is Raj700711, and I will try to reach you there. Thank you. Thanks for watching this search. Bye. Take care.